Alright, today I'm going to show you how to install your bow tubes. So violins, violas, and cellos, I highly recommend using a roll from a toilet paper roll and basses from a paper towel roll. Since your instruments are a little bit bigger, that added length really helps. Although it will work just the same bases if all you have is paper towel. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold the paper tube, your bow tube, whatever you have, paper towel or toilet paper, you're going to have it go across the strings between the bridge and the fingerboard. Okay, so I'm going to hold that in place. And again, this might be easier for most of you if you have it laying down. It's a little harder when you hold it in the air like this. I'm going to take another rubber band and I'm actually going to thread it underneath my strings. And I'm going to loop one end around, and then I'm going to grab it from the other side, and I'm going to loop it around on the other end of the tube. And then you should have something that looks like this, where the tube is going straight across your strings and it's stuck on there pretty nice. Okay, so one more time to show you how I did that. Okay. I have it threaded underneath my string, looping on one end, and then hooking on another. For some students, it's a little bit easier if they actually start with the tube with the rubber bands partially on it, and then they just grab the other end. But there's no wrong way to do this. And there you go. So once you have this on, then you can play with the bow going directly through the tube. It won't damage the bow or anything like that, and it'll give you a great practice as to what it'll feel like once this is removed and we have to play the bow directly on the string. That is how you install it.